Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
We need that sugar moved to aisle 3 immediately.
Yes, moving it now.
Precise ratios ensure creaminess and flavor consistency. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how ice cream is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.